Are you Zooming with Zoom? We all know what Zoom is. It's the software that enables you to work from home, keep up with friends, family, work, whatever it is you're trying to keep up with. The second side of Zoom is the stock story, which is what we'll talk about today. Let's have a look at the chart because the chart is almost off the charts. It's $520 a share. When we started working on this program in late August, the stock price was down here at about $270, $280 a share. What does that mean? It means it's almost doubled in less than a month. In the last 36, 48 hours, the stock is probably up 15 or 20%. This is bubble territory. This is not prudent stock investing. Do I like Zoom? Of course I like Zoom. Why do I like Zoom? The product works well, the company's managed well, the record speaks for itself. Any company that has almost quadrupled in less than a year speaks to good management, good timing, and good fundamentals as a company. Do I want you as a stock investor to own Zoom? At these prices, we have to ask that question. What are the risks with Zoom? The risks with Zoom are simply this. It's an expensive stock. How expensive? The price earnings multiple, which is a ratio that tells you if a stock is cheap or is expensive, is over 1,500 times. Now that may come down as the earnings adjust to the price of the stock. Of course it'll come down, but even 100 times earnings is considered an overbought stock. So at 1,500, you're in a territory with Dutch tulips or other mythical investment products that have gone off the charts. In just the time we've been looking at Zoom on this program, the market capitalization of Zoom has gone from about $70 billion to over $135 billion. Do I think Zoom is worthy of a valuation of $135 billion? Actually, I don't. I think it's a great product, but I think there are other great products that could come on the market and compete with them. Do I think it's well managed? Yes. Do I think it's expensive? Very. Would I be a buyer or a seller? At this point, I have to say I'd be more of a seller at $520 than a buyer at $520. That's all the time we have today on The Investment Advisor. I'm your host, Matthew Stevenson, in partnership with Dukas Copy TV. Remember, money can take care of you. It cannot take care of itself.